Hey guys, are you curious about college life but can't find the time to dive into endless research? Well, worry no more. In just 2 minutes, we've got you covered with all the essentials you need to know about college life. First up, college campuses are buzzing hubs of activities, from clubs and sports to events and parties. There's always something exciting going on. And hey, let's not forget about the freedom. College is your chance to explore new interests, make lifelong friends, and find your true self. Now, you might be wondering about classes. Yes, they can be challenging, but fear not.
Professors are there to help you.
And you'll have access to resources like libraries and study groups. Speaking of resources, college offer endless opportunities for personal and academic growth. Internships, research projects, and study abroad programs awaits you. But hey, college isn't just about studying. It's also about building valuable life skills. Time management, budgeting, and independence become second nature. Oh, and did we mention the food? Dining halls, food trucks, and nearby eateries will satisfy your taste buds. Now, you might be wondering about the college workload. Stay organized, manage your time wisely, and remember, it's okay to ask for help. And last but not the least, cherish every moment. College flies by, so make memories, take pictures, and enjoy the journey. There you have it, your crash course on college life in just 2 minutes. So go out there, explore, and embrace this incredible chapter of your life. Don't let research hold you back. Experience it for yourself.